Hello viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make healthy, tasty and guilt-free Christmas cookies. Let's jump into the making. First, let's prepare almond linzer cookies. For that, I have taken 2 cups of almond flour. In that, let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of maple syrup, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I missed it in the video. Mix everything together. Then transfer the mixture into the parchment paper. Freeze it for 20 minutes so that it will be easy to handle the dough. Line the cookie sheet with parchment paper. The dough will be little sticky and thick, so let's use the same parchment paper for rolling it out. Remove the cookie dough from the freezer. Let's roll it out as thin as possible. Roll it between the parchment papers. Roll it out evenly. The baking time depends on the thickness of the cookies. Let's cut the cookies with a cookie cutter. The dough will be little sticky, so dip the cookie cutter in water each time so that it will be easier and your cookies will be in shape. I made all the necessary cuts. Let's remove the extras. I placed everything on the cookie sheet. I have taken all the extras in a bowl. Let's add 2 teaspoons of raw beetroot powder. I preferably use natural color instead of artificial ones in my kitchen. Transfer the dough to the parchment paper, roll out and cut the cookies with the help of the cookie cutter. I have placed all the cookies in the parchment paper. See the dashing color it got from the beetroot powder. Now let's bake the cookies. I have preheated the oven at 325 and let's bake the cookies for 10 to 15 minutes. This is how it should be baked. It should not be burned. Add half a teaspoon of jam once all the cookies are cooled down. I used homemade low sugar strawberry jam. The link is given in the description. Place another cookie over it and that's it, our linzer cookies are done. Repeat the process for all the other cookies. It turned out delicious. For the beetroot or the red velvet cookies, add melted white chocolate or thick coconut milk over the cookies. We have prepared 3 types of cookies with the same dough. I have used melted dark chocolate over the other cookies. Now let's prepare the brownie peppermint cookies or brookies. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of maple syrup, half a cup of unsalted creamy peanut butter, 1/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 2 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons of coconut sugar. If you want sweeter brookies, add up to 4 tablespoons. Mix everything together. I have used peanut butter with only roasted peanuts. It tastes so perfect for this recipe. Add half to 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract as preferred. You can also use vanilla extract. Some people like a light peppermint flavor. Mix everything together. Add 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of oat flour. You can easily prepare oat flour at home by grinding the oats. Combine everything together and rest for 5 minutes so that the excess moisture is absorbed by the oats. Line cookie sheet or use a spoon or an ice cream scoop to transfer the dough. Rinse in water each time to prevent sticking. You can also divide the dough to 8 portions. After dividing it to 8 partitions, use your hands. Apply water each time to handle the sticky dough. Re-wet your hands to prevent the batter from sticking. Make 1/2 inch thickness cookies. By now, preheat your oven to 350. Let's bake the cookies for about 12 minutes. Once after baking, it may seem undone, but rest it for about 10 minutes until it is cooled down. It will be soft and fudgy. Do not bake longer as it may turn chewy. I have topped the brookies with chopped pistachios and cashews. Do this step as soon as you remove the brookies from the oven for the perfect setting. You can also use broken candy canes. That's it, our easy and healthy cookies are done in no time. It can be easily made into vegan. My kiddo love these cookies. We have not used any butter, egg or milk in any of these recipes. It is done with simple ingredients yet it turned out so perfect. Enjoy this holiday season with healthy delicacies. Try and comment your feedback how it turned out. This would be a perfect gift for a healthier start on the Christmas day. See how soft and fudgy the brownie cookies turned out. Check out the ingredients notes and other playlists given in the description. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Happy holidays. Thank you.